Okay, we are going to make stuffed green peppers. Look at that. Nice and healthy. First, we want to cut out the core. Actually, we want to cut the whole thing off. Take a spoon and you can remove the core, which is mostly seeds. Don't take much effort, and pull it straight out. Now what we're going to do, we're going to move over to the oven part where we're going to cook it. We're going to use some non-stick pan on the we're going to take about an ounce of onions. There we go. And next is going to be, woo, this is hot. Cauliflower. I know people often wonder why you keep eating cauliflower, because it's much more healthier than rice. And rice literally offers little to no benefits. That's 1.2 ounces. We may have to add more. I'm doing this completely on the fly, guys. So this recipe is all in my head. We're going to add some kale. And it's amazing how light kale is, because look how much I'm putting in there, and we only added 0.4 ounces. We probably can not need that much. Let's say 5 ounces. 0.6 ounces should be good enough. We're going to add some onions, some green onions. Let's see what we got here. Wow, that's not even, that's only 0.2 ounces. I've not made a video on how to preserve these green onions, but basically freeze them. Okay. Now, big cahoodles. Take 2 eggs. We're gonna let that cook. We have the green pepper ready to be filled. Oh yeah. Because I was thinking like, even my most veggie people don't want a little meat in their life. So I'm thinking what I could add to this, add a little bit more texture to it. And this is probably enough to make 2 or 3 green peppers. Now, this is what's the calorie intake for this. We're only going to add a couple of slightly thin slices. What is this? Shaved smoked ham. Depends on who you get it from. You can add anywhere between 3 to 4 slices for about 60 to 100 calories. Okay. Can't find my scissors, so we just want to manually cut this into slices. And because we're using cauliflower as a base for the filling, we're going to add another ounce to it. I love my seasoning. Add a little salt, not much. Some chopped chives. I know. Oh, he uses chives all the time. That's okay. Black pepper. A tad bit of cayenne pepper. That's gonna give it a little bite to it. You're like, ooh. If you don't like cayenne pepper, you can take that off the list. You don't have to add it. Let me get this air fryer ready. Okay, so we're almost to that point. Where is my green pepper? Oh, there you go. That's my boo. Oh yeah. We're gonna stuff you nice. We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just a little bit. And we're going to spread it around. Now, as the air fryer is almost preheated, we're going to stick this in the air fryer. Now, since this is a much thicker green pepper, it's probably going to take more than 3 minutes to get this to the point where it needs to be. So we will pick up once this is done. Okay, look at that. 8 minutes later, and we have ourselves a air fried green pepper. Let's see what this tastes like a little bit. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. Now, I think the only mistake I made was I didn't put enough filling in it, because there's a lot of the filling kind of shrunk. But I'm trying to pull out some of this green pepper. As you can see, there's lots of room left in that green pepper. Oh, I buy green peppers usually to add with other foods, but this is absolutely breathtaking. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. That is definitely nice. Ooh, ooh, that's hot. God, that's, I melted that cheeses on it. I tell you. I think I could have stuffed this a little bit more, but other than that, this is absolutely delicious. You know, the old saying, a good way to a man's heart is through his stomach. They never lie, because I'm in love with myself. But on a serious tip, this is actually really, really good. If you need the recipe, I may add it to the description. I got to remember what I did to make this because I did this completely on the fly. But yes, it's very delicious. This is going to be my breakfast for this morning. Green pepper, stuffed green pepper. Eat healthy.